Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 10 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter surface area and volume. And the lessons we're going to start with is surface area of pyramids and cones, volumes of prisms and cylinders, volume of pyramids and cones, and surface area and volume of spheres. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is surface area of pyramids and cones. Okay, let's start with the first one, that is surface area of pyramids and cones. Okay, what is the surface area of the triangular prism? So we are given with a triangular prism, triangular pyramid. We need to calculate the surface area of the triangular pyramid. So you have to calculate the area face by face, by each face. Got it? So the triangular pyramid has four faces. Let's just start with the four faces and a base. So let's just start calculating the area of the three faces and a base. Got it? Triangular base also. So let's just start calculating the area of the base. So let's start with the front side. Got it? Has the mm, half times base times height. Got it? So the height given of the triangle is 3 and the base is 2. It would be 1 by 2 times 3. Got it? Just calculate the area of the other two faces. They are the same. Then you have to calculate the area of the base. The area of the base is, the height of the base is 1.7. It would be 1.2 times 2 times 1.7. So we have to calculate, add all the faces, sum of all the areas, just add them, it would be 10.7. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. What is the surface area of triangular pyramid? That's exactly the same we did on the tutorial. So it would be 10.7. Got it? Okay, you have to calculate the surface area of the cone. Got it? So let's just see how to calculate the surface area of the cone. Okay, so you are given the diameter is 4 yards, and you are given the height of the cone. The height of the cone is 4 yards. You are given the height 4 yards and the diameter of the cone is 4 yards. So let's just start with, we have to calculate the surface area of the cone. Okay, height is 4 yards and diameter is 4 yards. So we have to calculate the surface area of the cone. Got it? So first of all, we have to calculate the, you are given diameter is 4, radius is diameter divided by 2. You have to do 4 over 2. That means the radius of the cone is 4 yards. Got it? And the height you are given is 4 yards. So you have to, first of all, we have to calculate the area of the base. The area of base is a circular shape, so it would be pi r square. Got it? Pi is 3.14. R is 2 square. 2 square is 4, and 4 times 3.14 is 12.56. Got it? That is the area of this portion. Now you have to calculate the area of this portion. Got it? That would be the area of the lateral height. So area of the lateral height is, pi rs. That is 3.14. R is 2 and S is 4. Let's just you calculate the values. It would be 25.12. So that is the area. So we have calculated the area of the base and the area of the lateral height. Now you have to add both the areas to calculate the area of the cone. Got it? That surface area of the cone. So the surface area is area of base and plus the lateral height. Just add both the areas. So the surface area of base is 12.56 and the lateral area is 25.12. So just add both the areas. So it is 37.68. Got it? So that is the surface area of the cone. The cone is divided into, you can divide the cone into two shapes. The first one is the base of the cone and the second one is the triangular shape. Got it? The base of the cone is in the circular shape. So the area of the circular shape is pi r square. Then you have to calculate the area of the lateral height. The lateral height is pi rs. So just replace the variables with the values, evaluate the values using calculator, and for the final surface area, you have to add the areas of both the circular shape and the triangular shape. Got it? That would be 37.68. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The correct option is 37.68. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to calculate the area of the, what is the surface area of the rectangular prism. So you have to calculate the area of the rectangular prism. So let's just calculate the area by the, you have one, two, three faces and the base of the rectangle. The base is rectangle and you have three of the triangular faces. So let's just calculate the area of, okay, so 9, height of the triangle is 9 and the base is 9. So let me calculate area of the triangular shapes. Got it? So it is half times base times height. The area of the triangular face is half times base times height. So the base of the triangle is, this is the base is 9 and height is also 9. So you have to do 1 by 2 times 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81 and 81 divided by 2 is 40.5. We have three of the triangular faces. Got it? So area of all the three triangular faces is 40.5 because they all have the same measurements. Not three, you have four. Got it? So the area of all the triangular faces are same because all the faces have same measurements. Now you have to calculate the area of the base. Base has the dimensions 9 and 9. So to calculate the area of the base, it is 9 and 9. So the area of the rectangular shape is length time width. So you need to do 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So for the final surface area, you have to add all the areas. Got it? Just add them. 40.5 plus 40.5 plus 40.5 plus 40.5 and 81. So just add them. The sum of all the values is 243. So the area of the triangular prism is, rectangular pyramid is 243 square meters. Got it? So the correct option is 243 square meters. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is the volume of the prisms and cylinders. So let's just start with the next lesson, that is volumes of prisms and cylinders. Let's just start with the next lesson. What is 9 to the power of 3? Length time width it is. Can you please complete your question? What would be 9 to the power of 3? Okay, let's just start with the next lesson, that is the volume of prisms and the cylinders. So you are given with the mm, what is you're given a shape, you need to rectangular prism, you need to calculate the volume of the rectangular prism. So the volume is length time width time height. You have to multiply all the values. It would be 3 times 2 times 2. Got it? 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 2 is 12. So for the volume you have to multiply all the side lengths, like length time width time height it is. Got it? Again, you have to calculate the volume. Okay, let's just see how to calculate the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is V equals pi r square h. You have to use the formula for the volume of cylinder, that is V equals pi r square h. Got it? Let's just start with the value V equals pi r square h. Let's start with the test questions. Okay, what is the volume? So the volume of the shape is length time width time height. That is actually a cube. The volume is length time width time height. So length is 3, width is 3, and height is 3. So you need to do 3 times 3 times 3. Got it? 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. It is 27 cubic meter. Got it? The volume of the shape is 27 cubic meter. Got it? Okay, for this one, what is the volume? The volume is again length time width time height. So all the side lengths are 4 times 4 times 4. So they are 64 cubic meter. Got it? It is 64 cubic millimeter. Got it? The correct option is 64 cubic millimeter. Okay, now you have to calculate the volume of the cylinder. So the volume, so for to calculate the volume of the cylinder, you need to use the formula, that is V equals pi r square h. The volume of the cylinder is V equals pi r square h. Got it? Just replace all the values. Radius is 3 inches and height is 8. So it would be radius is 3 inches and the height is 8 inches. Just replace all the variables with the value. Pi is 3.14, r is 3 square, and h is 8. So let's just multiply all the values. Got it? It would be 8 times 9 times 3.14, that is 226.08. So the volume is 226.08. Got it? So volume of the radius is 226.08. Volume of the cylinder. Okay, you're given with the cube. You have to calculate the volume of the cube. The volume of the cube is length time width time height. So all the side lengths are exactly equal. So you have to do 9 times 9 times 9. That would be 729. Got it? So the correct option is 729 cubic yards. Okay, what is the volume? You are given with the, let's just calculate the volume of the, okay. So you have to calculate the volume of the shape. First, let's just calculate the shape volume of the triangular shapes. half times base times height. Okay. Okay, let's just calculate the area of the triangular shape. That is half times base times height, and the base is 7 and height is 5. So you need to do 1 by 2 times 5 times 7. Got it? So it is, oh, you have to calculate volume, not the area, sorry. You have to calculate the volume of the shape. So for the volume, you have to do length time height time base. Got it? So you have to calculate half times length time base time height. So just do 1 by 2 times 7 times 5 times 10. So it would be 7 times 5 is 35, 350 divided by 2, and 350 divided by 2 is 175. Got it? So the A volume of the fake shape is 175. You are calculating the volumes, not the area. So the volume of the shape is 175. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, again you have to calculate the volume of this cube. So all the side lengths are exactly equal. So you need to do length time, width time, height. So it is 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. And 36 times 6 is 216. Got it? So the volume is 216. You have to calculate the volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is V equals pi r square h. So r is 3 yards and h is 10 yards. Just calculate, put up the values and calculate. Pi is 3.14, r is 3 square, and 10, and h is 10. 90 and 90 times 3.14 is 90 times 3.14, that is 282.6. Got it? That means the volume of the shape is 282.6. Got it? So the correct option is 282.6. Okay, the next one is the volume of the cylinder. You are given the diameter. Diameter is 16 and the height, that is 10. So first of all, you have to calculate the radius from the diameter. Got it? You are given the diameter. The diameter is 16 millimeter. Basically, the complete length is 16 millimeter. That is the this one. The complete length is diameter. You have to calculate the radius, so you have to divide it by 2. Got it? And height is 10. So V equals pi r square h. First of all, you have to calculate radius. Radius is 16 over 2. 8 is the radius. So 3.14, 8 square and 10. Let's just multiply all the values, and it is 64 times 10 times 3.14. That is 2009.6. Got it? The volume is 2009.6. Got it? Okay. You can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is volume of pyramids and cones. Let's start with the volumes of pyramids and cones. Okay, what is the volume of the triangular pyramid? So here is a triangular pyramid. You have to calculate the uh, triangular pyramid. Let's just calculate the area of the base. Area is triangular. So area is half times base times height. First, just calculate the area of base, that is 15. Now you have to, we are given the height of the triangular pyramid is 3 inches. So now you have to use formula, that is V equals 1 by 3 times area of base times height. Got it? So the area of base we calculated is 15, so it would be 1 by 3 times 15 times 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the volume of the cone? So the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Got it? Just replace all the values in the formula, and that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Got it? Let's just start with the first question. Test question. Okay, the first one is what is the volume of the cone? You are given the cone, you have to calculate the volume of the cone. So how to calculate the volume of the cone? The volume of the cone is, you are given the diameter, that is 4, and the height, that is 4. Got it? You are given radius is 4, so diameter is 4. So radius is diameter divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, the radius is 2. And you are given the height, that is 4. So you have to calculate the volume. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Got it? Just replace all the variable with the values. 1 by 3, 3.14. R is 2 square and h is 4. Let's just calculate all the values. Got it? So 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 3.14, sorry, 16 times 3.14 is 49.76, and 49.76 divided by 3 is 16.5. Got it? That means the correct option is 16.5. Got it? So just select the correct option. It would be 16.75. It is. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is what is the volume of the rectangular pyramid. Now you have to calculate the volume of the rectangular pyramid. Got it? So first of all, we have to calculate the area of the base. So the base has the dimensions 10 and 10. So let's just calculate the area of the base. So the area of the base is 10 times 10. That means the area of the base is 100. Got it? So we are given the height of the pyramid is 6 centimeter. The height of the pyramid is 6 centimeter. Now you can calculate the volumes. The formula for the volume of the rectangular pyramid is 1 by 3 times area of base times height. So that is 1 by 3 times area of base times height. So area of base is 100. 1 by 3 times 100, and height is 6. That is, so just multiply 100 times 6 is 600, and 600 divided by 3 is 200. That means the volume of the rectangular pyramid is 200 cubic centimeters. I think that is 200 cubic centimeters. Yes, just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is what is the volume of the rectangular pyramid? Again, we are given with a rectangular pyramid. We have to calculate the volume of the rectangular pyramid. So first of all, we have to calculate the area of the base for the volume. Got it? So let's just calculate the area of the base. The dimensions are 6 millimeter and 7 millimeter. So let's just calculate the area of the base. So area of base is 6 times 7, that is 42. area of base is 6 times 7, that is 42. And the height you are given, height of the pyramid is 9. So that means the volume is 1 by 3 times area of base times height. Got it? It would be 1 by 3 times 42 times 9. Got it? So let's just calculate the value. 42 times 9 is 42 times 9 is 378, and 378 divided by 3 is 126. That means the volume of the triangular pyramid is 126. Rectangular pyramid, that means the volume of the rectangular pyramid is 126 cubic millimeter. Got it? The correct option is 126. Got it? Okay, for the next one, you have to do the same. Just calculate the area of the base, but it has the triangular base. Got it? So area of the triangular base is half times base times height. Got it? It has the triangular base. So the area of the triangle is half times base times height. So just calculate the area. Half times 9 and height is half times 9 times 7. Got it? The area of the base is, because it has a triangular face, triangular pyramid it is. Area of base is half times base times height, that is half times 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63, and 63 times 2 is 31.5. Got it? Well, now let's see height is, the height of the triangular pyramid is 5 millimeter. Got it? Just put up all the values. The volume is 1 by 3 times area of base times height. Got it? So it is 1 by 3 times area of base is 31.5. What's wrong with the whiteboard? 31.5, and height is 5. Let me just calculate all the values. 5 times 31.5, that is 157.5 divided by 3, that is 51.5. Got it? So it is 51.5. Got it? So the correct option is 52.5 it is. Got it? So the correct option is 52.5. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to calculate the volume of the cone. You are given the diameter is 4, then the radius is 2. Got it? So it would be 1 by 3 times pi r square h. Let me just guess the answer. It is 23.89. It is 33.49. Got it? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Got it? It is 33.49. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is surface area of volumes and surface area and volume of spheres. Okay, you are given the sphere, you have to calculate the volume. So the volume for the sphere is V equals 4 by 3. You just have to memorize these formulas, then that would be very easy for you. You have to calculate the volume of the sphere. So volume of the sphere must be V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Got it? V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Again, you have the sphere V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Let's just start with the practice questions. That is volume, but what is the surface area? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, keep going. What is the volume of the sphere? The volume of the sphere is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. So you are given r, that is 8 inches. So let's just substitute the values in the formula. That is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Got it? The formula is V equals 4 by 3 r cube. The radius is 8 inches. So let's just calculate the value. It is 4 by 3. Pi is 3.14 and r is 8 cube. Got it? Let's just calculate the value. So it is, wait, let me calculate the values. 8 cube is 512. 512 times 3.14 times 4, that is 6430.72, and divided by 3. So it is 2143.57. That is option number 1, 2143.57 it is. Got it? That is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. What is the volume of the sphere? You have 1 yards, radius is 1 yards. So it is 4 by 3. You have to use the same formula. V equals 4 by 3 pi r square pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3, pi is 3.14, r is 1. Got it? Let's just multiply and divide all the values. It would be 3.14 times 4, that is 12.56 divided by 3. So it is 4.18. Got it? So the correct option is 4.19. Got it? The second option is the correct one. 4.19 is the correct option. What is the volume of the sphere? 1 by radius is 6 feet. You have to use the same formula, that is V by equals 4 by 3 pi r square pi r cube. Replace the r is 6. Just use the calculator and calculate all the values. Got it? It is 6 times 6 times 6, 216 times 3.14 times 4, that is 2712.96, and divided by the 3, that is 904.32. Got it? So the correct option is 904. No, we don't have this one. Let me just calculate again. 216 times 3.14 times 4, r is 6. Yes, r is 6, and divided by 3. It is 904. What's wrong with? Let's see. We have to calculate. Oh, we have to calculate the surface area of the sphere, not the volume. I am calculating the volume. You have to calculate the surface area of the sphere, not the volume. Got it? So for the surface area of the sphere, what you have to do? You have to calculate the So for the surface area, what you have to do, you have to calculate the 4 pi r square. Got it? The formula to calculate the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Got it? Just calculate the values. It would be 452.16. Got it? I thought it is volume. I'm calculating the volume. But here for the question, you have to calculate the surface area. The surface area is 4 pi r square. Got it? That is 452.16. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. That is 452.16. Okay, what is the surface area of the sphere? Let's just calculate the radius 5 meter. The formula is 4 pi r square. That is the surface area of the sphere. 4 pi is 3.14 and r is 5 square. Just calculate the values. 5 times 5 is 25 times 3.14 times 4, that is 314. Got it? That means the surface area is 314. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So basically the volumes of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r square and the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Got it? So we're working on grade 10 maths. The lessons we have done today are surface area of pyramids and cones, volume of spheres and cylinders, volume of pyramids and cones, and surface area and volume of spheres. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So if you have any question, you can ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.